don't seem to feel it though, as you swing down the street, walking that unique birthday candle glow. In broad daylight, in broad daylight, and you don't even know the way I love you. You never knew how to do. You thought that power was in a strong arm. People passed and lost and gold, tsunamis and mushroom clouds. Oh, babe, that's nothing. You think it's kinda sweet, the stammer and the tremble in my voice, but don't mistake it for weakness or some kind of incompleteness. 'Cause round about now I can feel it tingle, tangling. It's coiled up inside me, and it's ready to blow. You never knew power, did you? You threw it a fist in the overhead lines, burning the steel and bones of carbon, satin and fiber, vertical climb. You never knew
album known as Script for I just here, and there's a track off the second side known as Chelsea Monday.
Hiding in her cellophane world in glitter town. Awaiting the prince in his white capri, dynamic young Tarzan cast the bedsuit queen. She's playing the actress in this bedroom scene. She's learning her lines from glossy magazines, stringing all the pearls from her childhood dreams, auditioning for the leading role on the silver screen. Patience might in some danger. Patience might hurt you, child. One day they really love you. You charm with that smile. But for now, it's just another Chelsea Monday. Chelsea Monday. Drifting with her incense in the labyrinth of London, playing games with faces in the neon wonderland, perform to scattered shadows on the shattered cobbled eyes, which she dare recite soliloquies at the risk of